Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today was St. Patrick's Day, but my dumbass, it's tomorrow. Like, what? It's tomorrow. So I'm just so stupid to the point where I just want to rip my face off. Okay, I really need to just... I have two new palettes and they have a lot of colors in them. A better way to use them, a St. Patrick's look. I can't wait to do more looks with for summer and stuff and spring's coming up. Okay, I need to take a break and just, get my oats together like shit. Okay, so take two. Welcome to my channel. I love everyone and everything besides mean people and rude things. I don't like that. Like Donald Trump. If you guys want to see how to get leprechaun dick on this St. Patrick's Day weekend, then keep watching. I never know what the fuck to say in intros because dick. Just kidding. A lie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you didn't, then cool beans. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds to complete it though, so yeah. Alright, I'm literally closing that closet because it doesn't need to be open. So I'm gonna go close that because I don't want any ghosts popping out and startling my subscribers. As I just startled you with my hideousness. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so like I said, penis. And throw some green on her eyes and be St. Patrick's Day ready. I'm not part Irish, but I kind of wish I was so I could have a drinking tolerance, because Ireland's drink, right? Or Irishland's, whatever. Falling apart at the seams. What's new? Was there anything embarrassing in the background? No. Okay. Michelle Visage would not approve. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go in with, I'm pretty sure I used this shade first. It's like a greenish blue shade. This one right here. I take it on a dome brush and I'm putting it in my crease area and on this other vein. Leprechaun scrotum. So, yeah. And it's so common to have worms inside you and not even know that you have worms inside of your body. So unsettling. And the way I glued down my unit today, it's giving me an ultra facelift, so I'm kind of loving it, like McDonald's. Helicopter setting. I took this true shamrock green shade right here. On a little Morphe brush, like this. It looks like this, guys. And I'm just going to blend that around the edges. I'm going on in, what the fuck is wrong with my English today, bitch? A huge fluffy brush. Literally huger than my man's dick. Ooh, it's focusing. Come through, iPhone camera. And I'm going in with Lips out of this palette. Focus, bitch. And sickening. And kind of going directly onto that green and blending it all together. Did you hear that, bitch? I said this eye look is literally so easy. So next step onto our journey to get that shamrock dick, a satin shimmery shade on our lid. I'm gonna go in with a green right there, and that is the shade we're using. So we're just gonna put that on my lid. Oops, sorry, I'm literally blocking the camera. Ooh. Absolutely. I wasn't sure when I was doing the other eye off camera if I would like this, but I am loving it like KFC and McDonald's mixed. It's like they had a baby. I'm literally loving it. Shamrock shake status. Really, bitch, get out of my fucking mouth. Got cut off by probably a smart ass Cambodian bitch, so better fucking act right. go in with lashes. And for lashes, I wanted something dramatic, so I'm using my Amy by Lily Lashes. And they're just real fluffy and fat scrotum we're gonna be sucking on later. Now we're gonna apply the lash. I love lashes so much. My natural hair would probably go like to my shoulders. I'm literally talking to you guys like you care. Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? I'm gonna call the cops. She'll primer, because when we're getting down with a get down with that shamrock dick, I'm gonna need to, you know, keep our face in place. So first things first, I'm gonna go with my Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I'm literally the stupidest, dumbest bitch. Oh my God, Matilda. Diddly da. Okay, so I kind of like that better. Kind of bitch, I love it. The Body Shop Vitamin C Serum Primer. It's supposed to smooth out your skin. Oh my God, my literal beauty blender isn't even clean. Well, that's annoying. And my face has been so weird lately, guys. Oh my God, this smells so good. I'm gonna go wash my sponge, so I'll be right back, guys. I hope you miss me. Eggplant. Okay. What? My face is my base to my music playlist taste. I really don't know what foundation I want to use, Michael Finch. Matilda, help. I'm gonna call the cops. Maybe they can help me. Okay, I'm just gonna use random pick, I guess. 800 quad years. I'm gonna kind of swish it on my claim. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just getting so sick of myself. Like, has anyone ever gotten those moods where you literally just want to be a different person? Like, ew, I'm so sick of being me. Oh, there's like an owie in here. Oh yeah, there's literally like an owie in here. Go away. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna go with the concealer. Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. Introverted, extroverted girl. Bitch, I listened to Hippie Sabotage and Peppa Pig. Like, doing that, we don't have any dark circles. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend this out. The worst is like when my family's like, why do you have to get ready to go anywhere? Bitch, because I want to. Like, what the fuck? Do I literally question you on why you look like a basic bitch all the time? No. I've never understood people like that. Like, that question why you like to look good. Like, because when I'm older, I won't get to do this anymore. Well, I will, but like, I'll have wrinkles, you know? Oh my God, I hate when you can't cover up a blemish. Like, just fucking disappear. Because if you won't disappear, I'm gonna disappear, bitch. So this is how I contour my nose. And then I blend it out with my beauty blender. I don't have time to break this open right now. God. I'm setting my face. No, I'm setting my butthole. Like, what, bitch? That was so smooth. If you guys saw that, like, that was smooth. Okay. So to get that leprechaun dick, we're gonna need to definitely set our faces with heavy powder. So I'm using BH Studio Pro press powder or whatever. Why do I look like really white? I think it's that age rewind. As I'm ranting about it, like, I don't know why I'm so hyper right now, but I am. We're going to move on to bronzer. This needs to say put down, bitch, because without you, I'm not getting no dick. Bronze fonts. So I'm gonna use, oh my God, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna go take a picture because this is cute. Okay guys, sorry if I'm being super like ew, but like this alcohol is hitting me. I'm gonna get a little bit closer for you guys though. So come here. Are you close enough? Hope. Okay, I have a plan. I'm gonna go in with Smash Me, Leprechaun, please. Just on that outer corner. That's it. I'm loving it. Like McDonald's. Or like KFC. That's the black coming out in me. Yes, I'm part black. I'm not fucking being racist. Okay. I think I'm gonna add a little tiny shamrock in my inner corner because that's so cute. So I'm just gonna remove that because it's not that cute. And what better blush to use than Orgasm? So Orgasm. I just need to stop living at this point. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go. A little bit of stunning. Okay guys, I'm almost done, so just bear with me, okay? Please bear with me. To get that leprechaun dick tonight, you're gonna wanna overline your lips just a tad bit. But for me, I'm gonna do a lot bit because I hate my lips and I want lip injections because I'm kind of like a pubescent Kylie Jenner. Alright guys, so I think I'm loving it like McDonald's, so I'm gonna end it here because I'm done. I've never really played with color before and I'm loving it like McDonald's. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it and yeah, get some leprechaun dick tonight, but make sure that leprechaun wears a motherfucking what? A condom. Stay safe, have fun, just have fun. You're only young once and life's too short. The ozone layer's depleting by the second. CSS. Bye guys.